Is the Worx GT 3.0 string trimmer right for your yard? Tired of wrestling with gas-powered trimmers? We're diving deep into the Worx GT 3.0 cordless string trimmer to see if it's the perfect fit for your lawn care needs. The Worx GT 3.0 is a cordless string trimmer and edger designed for homeowners. It boasts a 2-in-1 design, converting easily between trimming and edging. It's powered by a 20V battery, making it a convenient and eco-friendly option. This trimmer features a 12-inch cutting diameter, suitable for small to medium-sized yards. The CommandFeed system provides on-demand line feeding, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. It also includes two 20V PowerShare batteries and a charger. One of the standout features is its lightweight design, weighing in at just over 5 pounds. This makes it easy to maneuver and reduces fatigue during extended use. The head tilts 90 degrees, allowing for trimming in hard-to-reach areas. The adjustable spacer guard protects your plants and flowers from accidental trimming. The rubberized wheels provide support and guidance when edging, ensuring clean and professional-looking results. It operates at 7,600 RPM for efficient cutting. With over 30,000 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, the Worx GT 3.0 is a popular choice. Users praise its ease of use and lightweight design. Many appreciate the convenience of the 2-in-1 functionality and the included batteries. Some users have noted concerns about battery life and durability. However, the majority find it to be a reliable and effective tool for maintaining their lawns. One user on Amazon praised its lightweight and ease of use, noting that 2 batteries were enough to maintain their 1/4-acre lot. You can find the Worx GT 3.0 cordless string trimmer on Amazon. Check the product page for the latest price and availability. If you're looking for a lightweight, versatile, and eco-friendly string trimmer for a small to medium-sized yard, the Worx GT 3.0 is definitely worth considering. Its 2-in-1 design and user-friendly features make it a great addition to any homeowner's tool collection. Ready to ditch the gas and cords? Click the link in the description to check out the Worx GT 3.0 on Amazon and read more user reviews. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful product reviews and lawn care tips.